Hey y'all, welcome to this tutorial on how to slay your closure wigs without any glue. All you need is a stocking cap, pull it back so your edges it's not right on your edges. This is the wig we're going to be working with. All our units come sewn using a sewing machine. Get some foundation, any shade closest to your skin tone, apply it on the back side of the lace and see how flawless it looks. So next we're gonna cut the tabs on the sides of the closure just so we can have a more seamless install. So go ahead and do that, and this is how it looks with those tabs cut off. And then I'm gonna cut the lace off camera and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So see how flawless it looks. No glue, no nothing, baby. Like, I'm feeling this hair already. Oh my gosh, this is so bomb, y'all. Like, use your slick stick to just lay down any flyaway hair, and yeah, it just makes everything look so clean and so nice. Like, use a comb then after that to like brush the hair down, and then I'm gonna go over with my curling wand on the highest heat just to give it some classy look in the front. I use my curling wand to like give it a bump in the front. I just like using this because it makes it a lot easier, and I can use the curling wand to make my wig lay even flatter. So yes, y'all, I'm loving this hair already. So just get water in a spray bottle, spray it a little bit on the hair, just a little bit to make it damp and look wet and wavy. You can section your hair while you do this. And I'm gonna go in with my Shea Miracle curling pudding on the hair. I used a little bit. You can use as much as you want, but I mean a little bit is fine. Just use your fingers to work the product into the hair. And y'all, when I tell you this curls come to life with this pudding, y'all, just take a look at this curls, y'all. Like, I'm loving this. So this unit is 28 inches, and if you want to order a wig, you can go on to our website. The link is in our bio. And this is the final look, y'all. Let us know what you think in the description below, and see you all next time. Bye bye.